Yeah, so this is like you can listen the full orchestration. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, so let's do it on the piano now. So we kind of like need to show this very soft sound as the sun is starting coming out. And then as we change in position, right? You have to kind of like a plan where is the sun is fully up. So we can add a little bit bigger sound.
Mm-hmm. So like.
And do you think is this is gonna be loud, played loud or soft?
Soft.
I think it's loud because look, we have this crescendo
Oh yeah, yeah. I
to
thought you were talking about.
forte, and then
Yeah.
we kind of like are going back where we started, but now the sun is already up and it's in the,
Oh,
it's
I
up in the
see.
sky shining.
Yeah. I was like.
Let's get there gradually. Where would you like to start? Measure 25?
Let's. Yeah. So it's like.
Yes, that was beautiful. Good job. Good job. So that was more expressive, right? Once we put
Yeah.
the image and we know what this music is about, it's much easier to tell the story with the music.
Yeah.